running a successful, make money online, YouTube channel, monetizing in 3 months. In today's digital age, YouTube has become a powerful platform for content creators to share their knowledge and earn money. One of the most popular niches on YouTube is the Make Money Online (MMO) niche, where creators share tips and strategies on how to generate income through various online ventures. If you're passionate about this topic and want to create a successful MMO channel, this guide will walk you through the steps to launch, grow, and monetize your channel within 3 months. Starting a YouTube channel is easy, but running a successful one requires strategy, consistency, and dedication. This video tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step framework to help you launch your MMO YouTube channel, attract a dedicated audience, and begin monetizing your content in just 3 months. Month 1. Laying the foundation. 1. Define your niche and target audience. The MMO niche is broad, so it's essential to narrow down your focus to stand out. Consider targeting specific sub-niches such as freelancing tips, advice for freelancers on finding clients and increasing earnings, affiliate marketing, strategies for successful affiliate marketing campaigns, e-commerce, tips for starting and growing an online store, passive income, methods to generate passive income online. Identify your target audience's demographics, interests, and pain points. Understanding your audience will help you create content that resonates with them. 2. Create a content plan. A well-thought-out content plan is crucial for consistent growth. Start by brainstorming video ideas that align with your niche. Aim to create a mix of content types, including how-to videos, step-by-step guides on specific topics, case studies, real-life examples of successful online ventures, reviews of tools, platforms, or courses related to making money online. Q&A sessions. Answer common questions from your audience. Plan your first month's content schedule, aiming to upload at least 2 to 3 videos per week. 3. Set up your YouTube channel. Create a professional-looking YouTube channel by choosing a channel name. Pick a name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Creating a channel banner. Design an eye-catching banner that represents your brand. Writing a compelling about section. Clearly explain what your channel is about and what viewers can expect. Setting up playlists. Organize your videos into playlists to make it easy for viewers to find related content. 4. Produce high-quality content. Invest in the necessary equipment to produce high-quality videos. At a minimum, you'll need a good camera, microphone, and lighting. Edit your videos to ensure they are engaging and informative. Focus on delivering value and building trust with your audience. Month 2. Growing your audience. 1. Optimize your videos for SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for getting your videos discovered. Here are some tips. Keywords. Conduct keyword research to find relevant terms your target audience is searching for. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Titles. Craft compelling titles that include your main keywords and spark curiosity. Descriptions. Write detailed descriptions with relevant keywords and links to related content. Tags. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand the content of your video. 2. Promote your channel. Utilize many various platforms to attract more viewers. Social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Join relevant groups and communities to reach a broader audience. Blog. If you have a blog, embed your videos in relevant blog posts and drive traffic from your website to your YouTube channel. Collaborations. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach their audience. 3. Engage with your audience. Building a loyal community is essential for long-term success. Engage with your audience by responding to comments. Reply to comments on your videos to show your viewers that you value their input. Asking for feedback. Encourage viewers to leave feedback and suggestions for future videos. Live streams. Host live Q&A sessions to interact with your audience in real time. 4. Analyze your performance. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate. Center. Use this data to refine your content strategy. Month 3. Monetizing your channel. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. To monetize your channel, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. The eligibility requirements are: you must have at least 1,000 subscribers. You must have 4,000 watch hours which have accumulated within the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, apply for the YPP through your YouTube studio. 2. Enable monetization features. After joining the YPP, enable the following monetization features. Ad revenue. YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue. Channel memberships. Offer channel memberships where viewers can pay a monthly fee for exclusive content and perks. Super chat and super stickers. Enable these features during live streams to allow viewers to purchase chat messages and stickers. Merch shelf. If you have merchandise, use the merch shelf feature to promote your products directly on your channel. 3. Explore alternative revenue streams. In addition to ad revenue, consider these alternative revenue streams. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your affiliate links. Sponsored content. Partner with brands to create sponsored videos or integrate product placements into your content. Digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates related to making money online. Consulting services. Offer one-on-one coaching or consulting services to viewers who want personalized advice. 4. Optimize your earnings. To maximize your earnings, focus on these strategies. High CPM niches. Create content in high CPM niches like finance, technology, or business. Longer videos. Produce videos that are longer than 8 minutes to enable multiple ad breaks. Audience engagement. Keep your audience engaged with high-quality content, as higher engagement leads to more ad impressions and higher revenue. Case study. From zero to monetized in 3 months. To illustrate how these strategies can be implemented, let's look at a hypothetical case study of a successful MMO YouTube channel. Month 1. Building the foundation. Niche selection. John, the creator, chose to focus on affiliate marketing tips for beginners. His target audience was individuals aged 18-34 interested in earning passive income. Content plan. John planned his first month's content, including how-to videos on setting up affiliate marketing accounts, reviews of popular affiliate programs, and case studies of successful affiliates. Channel setup. He created a channel named Affiliate Success Tips, designed an eye-catching banner, and wrote a compelling About section. High-quality production. John invested in a decent camera, microphone, and lighting. His videos were well edited and provided valuable insights. Month 2. Growing the audience. SEO optimization. John conducted keyword research and optimized his video titles, descriptions, and tags. His videos started appearing in search results for relevant terms. Promotion. He promoted his channel on social media, joined affiliate marketing forums, and collaborated with other YouTubers in the niche. Audience engagement. John responded to comments, asked for feedback, and hosted live Q&A sessions. His audience began to grow steadily and inspired him as his strategy was starting to show results. Performance analysis. He used YouTube analytics to track his performance, noting which videos have the highest engagement and watch time. Month 3. Monetization. Joining YPP. By the end of the second month, John had reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. He applied for and was accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Monetization features. John enabled ad revenue, channel memberships, and super chat for his live streams. He also set up a merch shelf with branded items. Alternative revenue streams. He began promoting affiliate products in his videos, created a digital course on affiliate marketing, and offered consulting services. Earnings optimization. John focused on producing longer videos to include multiple ad breaks and created content in high CPM niches. His earnings started to grow as his audience engaged more with his content. Launching and monetizing a successful, make money online, YouTube channel in 3 months is an ambitious goal, but with the right strategy, dedication, and consistency, it's achievable. By defining your niche, creating valuable content, optimizing for SEO, promoting your channel, and exploring multiple revenue streams, you can build a profitable YouTube channel that provides value to your audience and generates a steady income. Start implementing these steps today and watch your channel grow and thrive in the competitive world of YouTube. Here's your checklist for success to ensure you stay on track. Use this checklist as you build and grow your MMO YouTube channel. Define your niche and audience. Choose a specific sub-niche and understand your target audience. Create a content plan. Manage your videos to ensure a consistent upload schedule. Set up your channel. Create a professional-looking channel with a compelling About section and organized playlists. Produce high-quality content. Invest in good equipment and focus on delivering value. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords, compelling titles, detailed descriptions, and relevant tags. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience. Analyze performance. Use YouTube analytics to understand what's working and adjust your strategy accordingly. Monetize your channel. Join the YouTube Partner Program, enable monetization features, and explore alternative revenue streams. Optimize earnings. Focus on high CPM niches, produce longer videos, and maintain high audience engagement. By following this checklist and the strategies outlined in this guide, you can build a successful, make money online YouTube channel and start monetizing it within 3 months. Good luck, and happy creating! Click on the free link in the bio and check out the financial potential of running a YouTube channel. It shows you how to implement this business and be successful, even for newbies.